Welcome back to the maths class, students. Let us continue with exercise 3.2. In the last video, I have already explained you how you are going to add or subtract the integers. Now in exercise 3.2, question number 1 is you have to add the integers. First question is given plus 28 and plus 12. Now here you have to add. So plus 28 plus 12, so it will give you, here normally plus is there, plus plus plus, so 28 plus 12 will give you 40, and sign will be of the bigger digit is 28, that is positive, so your answer will be plus 40. Clear? Now second one, minus 36 and minus 14. Here minus 36 plus minus 14. This way it is given. Now what will happen? This plus minus will become minus. So minus 36 minus 14. So minus minus plus. So 36 plus 14 will give you 50. Sign of the bigger one is minus. So minus 50 is your answer. Same way, next one, minus 29 plus 19. Here plus will give you plus only. So minus 29 plus 19. Now plus minus minus. So 29 minus 19 will give you 10, and sign will be of the greater digit. So minus 10 is your answer. Clear? So you can try the remaining sums by your own. Now question number 2 is subtract. Here minus 12 from 20. So first you will write this number. So it will be 20, then minus, and then you have to minus 12. Okay. So this minus minus will become plus. So 20 plus 12, it will give you 32. Understood? So 20 plus 12, it's 32. Next one, plus 16 from minus 22. So minus 22 will come first. Then minus, this you put in bracket, plus 16. So plus no need to write. It will give you same number. So minus minus, what you will get? You will get plus, and sign of the bigger one. So this one sign will come. 22 plus 16, you will get 38. So this is your answer. Clear? Next one, minus 38 from 12. So first you will write 12, then you will write minus, then this minus 38. So this again minus minus will become plus. So 12 plus 38, what you will get? You will get 50. See, this sign matters. Here it is, see, you will not check this sign. See, here 38 is minus, but it became plus because minus minus plus. So this sign you will consider. Here 38 is positive only, so your answer will be plus 50. Now you can try out the remaining sums by your own. Now let us solve question number 3. Now question number 3 is you have to fill in the blanks. Here minus 429 plus 109 is equal to, see here plus 109 means plus 109. Here plus, here plus. What is remaining? Only this one is remaining. So what will come? Your answer will be minus 429. Okay. See, everything will remain same only. See, this 2, both the positive numbers are there. Only this one is negative. So, here we will keep that number negative. The next one is plus 727 plus dash is equal to 0. Now, we know that minus plus means minus. So, if you will do 727 minus 727, what you will get? You will get 0. So, this one is plus 727. So, here what you will do? Your answer will be minus 727. So, that will give you 0. Okay. Next one, minus 6127 plus dash is equal to minus 6127. Same you want. If you want the same numbers, what you will add? You will add nothing, 0. Next one, 18 plus dash is equal to plus 20. So this is very common question. 18 plus 2 will give you 20. Next one, plus 27 minus dash is equal to plus 20. Now here what you are going to do? What you will do, if you are having 27, what you will deduct from it to get 20? You will deduct 7. So 27 minus 7 you will get 20. Okay. Next one, 63 plus dash is equal to plus 50. So here see this, both the numbers are positive, here also positive, but you have to add something which will decrease the number. Here it is 63, this is smaller than this. So here you have to add something which will reduce the number. So what you are going to add? You will add some negative number. So here if you minus 50 from 63, what you will get? You will get 13. So you will do minus 13. So 63 plus into bracket minus 13, that will give you plus 50. Clear? Next one, plus 38 minus dash is equal to plus 50. Now here same way. You see here it is plus 38 plus 50, both the positive numbers. You have to minus something so that you will get greater number. So how you can get greater number if you want to subtract it? So here again you will do something negative so that this minus minus will become plus. So if you minus 38 from 50, what you will get? You will get 12. So if you write minus 12 here, so how? Let us solve. 38 minus minus 12 is equal to what? You will get this minus minus will become plus. So 38 plus 12, then you will get 50. Understood? This way you are going to do. Next one, 21 minus dash is equal to 20. Simple. 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. 14 minus 14 plus dash is equal to minus 20. Now here what you are going to add to minus 14 so that you will get minus 20. Now if you add 6 to 14 you will get 20, right? If you add 6 to 14 you will get 20. But here minus plus it will become minus. So this also you will write as minus 6. So minus plus, here plus minus will become minus. So minus 14 minus 6, and then minus minus it will become plus, and sign will be of greater number. So you will get minus 20. Understood? So our answer is minus 6. Then last one, minus 15 minus dash is equal to minus 2. Here what you will do to get minus 2? We know that 15 minus 2 you will get 13, right? You will get 13, and then plus minus only you will get minus. So here you will write minus 13. Now see how here minus 13. This way you will get. So this minus minus will become plus. So minus 15 plus 13. So it will give you minus 2. Understood? So we have written minus 13. Clear? Now let us solve word problems. Question number 4. A lift went up 18 floors from the ground floor and then descended 7 floors. On which floor is the lift now? Now here, see, first of all, let us solve it. Suppose now your lift is at 0. Okay, your lift is at 0. It goes 18 floors up. So here plus 18. Upside it goes to 18th floor. And then it came down 7. So it came down. So what you will write? Minus 7. 7 floors down it came. So this way you got the chart. So how you will solve this? 18 plus 18 minus 7. So plus 18 minus 7 will give you 11. So lift is at 11th floor. Where the lift is? Lift is at 11th floor. So this way you are going to write lift went up means plus 18, lift descended means minus 7. So plus 18 minus 7 you will get 11. So on 11th floor is the lift now. Now next one, question number 5. On Diwali night a rocket went 140 meters straight up and then fell 18 meter before it burst with a bang. Again here same way we are going to do. Let us solve it. Question number 5. Rocket went up means plus 140. It fell means minus 18. So 140 minus 18, it will give you 140 minus 18. So it is going to give you 122 meter. So rocket was 122 meter high when it burst. Okay, clear? Now question number 6. A man walked 21 steps forward and then took 28 steps backward. How many steps will he have to take and in which direction so as to reach his starting point? So now here, suppose this is our starting point. He walked forward. Forward means plus 21. Then he walked backward means minus 28. So let us see plus 21 minus 28. So plus minus what it will give you? It will give you minus. So plus minus minus 28 plus. So 28 minus 21 will give you 7 and sign will be of bigger. So what he will do now? He has to go 7 steps. He has to go here. See, 7 steps. He is already back. So he has to go 7 steps forward to reach starting point. Okay, clear? He has to go 7 steps forward to reach the starting point because he is already 7 steps backward. Question number 7. If Jagdish home is 170 meter to my left and Jayanti's house is 70 meter to my right, how far is Jagdish house from Jayanti's house? Here, a rough drawing of the house location can help you to solve the problem. So see here, I have already made this one. Suppose here you are living, okay. Now on your left 170 meter if you will go, you will get Jagdish home. If you are going on your right, you will get Jayantish home at 70 meter. Now what you have to find? You have to find the distance between this both. So what you are going to do, 170 meter plus 70 meter. If you go this side, then 170 meter. If you go this side, then 70. So total distance between this both is 240 meter. So you will write like this: 240 meter far is Jagdish house from Jayanti's house. Now next question number 8. A car set out from its garage and traveled 50 meters north. Then it reversed and moved 20 meters south. How far and in which direction is the car from the garage? So here you can see, suppose here is your garage. Now the car is going 50 meter north direction. North means upside. So plus 50 the car traveled, then it reversed and then it moves south. So opposite of north is south. So minus 20. So 50 minus 20 you will get 30 meter. And in which direction? You got it in plus, means it's on north direction. Question number 9. A robber gave the police a slip when he first drove 112 km east. Then he made a U-turn and drove 140 km west. How far was he from where he started and in which direction? Now here you can see, this is the rough sketch. Here the robber was there. He went on east direction for 112 km. East is on your right. So on right side he went. Then he made a U-turn. So this is our U-turn. And 140 km on the west he traveled. So overall what will happen? First he will draw east, that is 112 km. Then he drove west, that is minus 140 km. So 112 minus 140 you will get minus 28. So he is 28 km far and in west direction. Why? Because you got answer in minus and we took minus as west. Clear? So these are the word problems. Now let us solve challenge question. Mr. Gupta had 2500 rupees in his bank account on 1st January 2017. He deposited 1250 in January and withdrew 750 in February. What was Mr. Gupta's balance on 1/4/2017 if he deposited 500 and withdrew 300 in March? Now you all must have seen the passbook of bank account. If you have not seen, you just ask your parents to show you how it is. See, whenever you are depositing the money, they are adding it. If you are withdrawing, they are subtracting it. So 2500 was the balance. Then he deposited this much rupees. So what was the balance then? 3750 was the balance. Again, then Mr. Gupta withdrew 750. So if you minus this, you will get 3000. Now you are given that in March what he has done. This was the balance. Then in March he deposited 500 rupees. In March he deposited 500. So plus 500 and he withdrew 300. So minus 300. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 3000 plus 500, 3500 minus 300. So you will get 3200 rupees. Understood? This is your final answer. So 3200 balance on 1st April 2017. Now question number 2. In a 2 into 50 meters relay race for tiny tots, Preeti ran the first 50 meters and handed the baton to Rashmi, who, instead of running towards the finishing line, ran back 10 meters toward the starting line before she was stopped. How many meters does Rashmi have to run now to finish the race? Now, in relay race, this way it used to be. See here, you can see the picture also. One person will pass the baton to the next person and then next person will run. So in this, first Preeti started to run 50 meters and then she handed it to Rashmi. Now instead of running, what Rashmi did? Rashmi ran back 10 meters towards the starting line. Now what Rashmi have to do? Here you can see the rough sketch. Preeti is standing on starting line. So she went 50 meters towards Rashmi. Now here Rashmi, what she did? She went back. She has to go this 50 meters towards the ending line. But she went back 10 meter to the starting line. Now how much meter she has to run to reach the ending line? So this 50 meter plus this 10 which she reversed by mistake. So this 10 plus 50, she has to go 60 meters to reach to the ending line. Okay, so here 10 plus 50 you will get 60 meters. So Rashmi has to run 60 meters to finish the race. So this was the challenge question. Now you have to try to solve all these sums in your rough book or you can directly write in your notebook. After 2-3 days, I will send you the PDF file of this whole exercise so that you can check your answers. Bye bye. Have a nice day.